Asus Vivobook 15. Unitysystems Solutions. Turn everyday tasks into something special with Vivobook 15, your essential tool for getting things done easier, anywhere. It's completely user-friendly too, with its 180 degrees lay-flat hinge and physical webcam shield. Asus Antimicrobial Guard Plus protects frequently touched surfaces from harmful bacteria, safeguarding your health. Make all your days more enjoyable with Vivobook 15. Vivobook 15, you're always ready to take on any everyday task, whether it's work, play or entertainment. Whatever you need to achieve, there's always plenty of computing power on tap with up to the 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB of fast memory, 512GB of speedy SSD storage and comprehensive range of wireless connectivity up to Wi-Fi 6E7 allows you to load online content in the blink of an eye. Intel Core i7-1355U 13th Gen processor. Up to 5.0 GHz turbo boost performance. 512GB PCIe 3.0 SSD. 16GB memory. Iris Xe Intel graphics. Vivobook 15 has a lid with a special raised logo tag, and it's available in your choice of 3 eye-catching colors. Charming quiet blue, cool silver, or cozy terracotta, just pick your favorite. It's slim enough to pop unobtrusively into any backpack, and light enough for easy one-handed carrying. Vivobook 15 delivers beautifully clear visuals with its 3-sided slim bezel nano edge display. The wide viewing angles maintain great quality even for off-center viewing, and the TÜV Rheinland Eye Care certification ensures low blue light levels that reduce the risk of eye strain during long viewing sessions. Physical webcam privacy shield. Vivobook 15 takes your privacy and security seriously. There's an integrated privacy shield that slides over the webcam for instant privacy, shielding you from prying eyes and disturbances. Asus ErgoSense keyboard, comfortable typing experience. Your comfort is our highest priority. That's why the Asus ErgoSense keyboard has an incredibly satisfying feel, with the optimum key bounce and travel calculated with fine-tuned precision. Experience the ErgoSense keyboard and you'll soon find yourself cruising effortlessly through your work. Unlock in one touch. Accessing your device has never been easier or more secure. With the optional fingerprint sensor 5 in the touchpad and Windows Hello, there's no need to type in your password every time. All you need is a single touch. Charge with speed. Vivobook 15 supports fast charging, which allows you to charge a low battery to 60% in as little as 49 minutes, so you can be up and running quicker than ever.